Hello guys, today I'm very happy but a little bit nervous because I will be presenting a final presentation about water quality in a staff channel in Phnom Penh City. So luckily, after this final presentation, my first semester is over, and here I'm in the lab in my school right now. Yeah, laboratory. Yeah, and the next semester, in the second semester, will start at the end of this month. So at least I've got 1 or 2 weeks for a short vacation. So tomorrow I'm leaving here to visit my parents and my lovely sister at my hometown. So yeah, excited but nervous about final presentation. So I'll see you guys in my hometown. And yeah, also I'm really glad because doing primitive technology is one of my favorite hobby. By the way, I ride my motorbike to my hometown. So I'm going to fish along the road. So I'll see you guys there. Bye. Right, presentation was over, so yeah, it's time to prepare my backpack for tomorrow's journey. So wish me luck. I can't see even a little one. No fish. I don't think there is no fish in this little stream. It's because of my technique of fishing. Maybe, I'm not sure, but no fish. One of the most important things is that it was stuck over there. Actually, I used the fake frog as a bait, but it doesn't work at all. Maybe there are some factors that affect the water quality. Look at that, it's like milk.
you.